Good morning, dear students. It is our third lecture of pronouns. We have already discussed two lectures. In one lecture, I have discussed the definition of the pronouns, and in second, I have discussed the types of pronouns in brief. We will discuss them in elaborate after few lectures. And now today we are going to discuss the usage of the pronouns. As usual, we were discussing the usage. In the same way, today we are discussing the usage of the pronouns. It is known to you that pronoun, it is used instead of a noun. Now, first of all, we will see the usage of the pronoun. There are 6 usages of the pronoun as discussed here upon this page. Number 1, a personal pronoun must always be of the same number, gender, person as the noun which it is used. It is usually that we have to see that for which it is used, we will write that. If it will be for singular, we have to write the singular pronoun. If plural, we have to write the plural. For example, Rani is a good girl. She is obedient. To her teacher, that is here is female, we have to write female. If it may be male, we have to write male. Here it is singular, we have to write the singular pronoun. She. If there may be too many persons, then we can write they. Rule number 2. When 2 or more singular nouns are joined by and, the pronoun must be in plural form. It is known to you that when we join 2 or more singular nouns with and, we use them plural. For example, Rani and Radha are hard-working or students. Now we have to use plural they. When 2 singular nouns are joined by and are replaced by each and every, the pronoun must be in singular. If they are joined by and, but there is also every or each, at that time we have to write singular. You have to remember this one for all. Every boy and every girl has finished, not have finished. It is singular, it is not plural. 4th, when 2 or more singular nouns are joined by or, either, or, neither nor, the pronoun must be in singular. When you will see these things or, either, or, neither nor, at that time you have to write the singular pronoun. For example, either Ram or Kumar must help us. Either Ram or Kumar must help us. Yani ki that is singular. Either Kumar or Ram has, yani ki not have, because it shows either of them, singular. Number 5, when a singular noun and a plural noun are joined by or nor, the pronoun must be in plural number. If they are joined by or nor, at that time we have to write the plural. For example, the teacher or his students left there. Here we have to write there, not his or her. There, yani ki plural. The word they is sometimes used to denote people in general. For example, we say they. They here means people. Say that might is right. Now, there is pronoun kinds. I have already elaborated with them, but still I will say here in brief. They are person. Person is used for person. Non-person, they are used for non-person. For example, it rains. Reflexive is used for reflections. For example, he hurt himself. Emphasis, it is used for emphasis. Relation, it shows the relation. Integrative, it shows the questions. Demonstrative, it demonstrates who, yani ki that, this, though. Distribute, it shows the distribution, each, every. In the same way, indefinition, yani ki it shows the indefinition one should, yani ki upon oneself. Reciprocation, it shows the reciprocal. For example, they help one another, yani ki he helps him and another helps him. Yani ki I already told you that two-way process. We have already discussed them. in case of types. Now second, personal pronouns rule. Personal pronoun I is used for the first person masculine and feminine genders. You have to remember this, that it is used for both masculine as well as feminine. For example, boy, I am a boy, that is Ram, or I am a girl. Yani ki I is used with both male as well as female. Personal pronoun we is used for the first person but in case of plural. Personal pronouns, that is me or us, are used for the first person both masculine and feminine genders but in objective case. I have already told you. For example, they called me. In the same way, personal pronoun you is used for second person both masculine and feminine genders but in case of both subject and objective cases. Personal pronoun he, him are used for third person masculine and feminine. It is known to you that he is used with only masculine, that is males. Personal pronoun she is known and her is known to you that it is used with the females. Now indefinite pronoun, it is a part of the speech used instead of, it is indefinitely, noun as indefinitely. We didn't know how much. For example, rule 1, indefinite pronoun one is used with singular, one is missing, here it is used with singular. Indefinite pronoun none also with singular verb. Pronoun none, one, no one is also used with singular. For example, no one has arrived, has, have not. Indefinite pronoun nothing is also used with singular. Nobody is also used with singular. Sixth one, one second. Indefinite pronoun some is some used with plural. For example, some have come, not has. It is used with plural. Indefinite pronoun someone is used with singular. For example, someone has stolen. Indefinite pronoun something is used with singular. Indefinite pronoun somebody is used with singular. There are also examples, you can see also them. Indefinite pronoun any is used with singular. Indefinite pronoun anybody is also used with singular. Indefinite pronoun anything is also used with singular. Indefinite pronoun anyone is used with also singular. Indefinite pronoun all is used with plural. For example, all are right. All is right is incorrect. All are right because plural. Indefinite pronoun few is used with plural. Few are weak, not few is weak, because there are few people. 2, 5, 10. Indefinite pronoun many is used with plural. Many are poor or many had come. Many indicate some number. Indefinite pronoun several is also used with plural. For example, several are strong. There are some numbers. Please wait. Also now relative pronoun, I have already told you about the relative pronoun. Definition, it is used instead of a noun with the indication of the relation, that is, it shows the relation, who, about whom you are saying. For example, relative pronoun who is used as subject for person. The man who gave me, that is, here it is used as a subject. Relative person pronoun whom is used as an object. The boy whom you wanted, that is, it is here. I have already told you about subject and object. In the same way, relative person whose is used in case of possession. For example, whose book is this? Relative person pronoun which is used as subject and object is used as both. Relative pronoun what is used as object but for things. What is used for things? What they told us is right. Relative pronoun that is used as object for both persons as well as things. Relative pronoun as is used with such. For example, Ram is such a friend. as I like, यानी कि both are as well as such have to use together. Relative pronoun but is used for persons as objectives. For example, there is no boy but loves cricket. Compound pronouns, I already told you that compound is combination of more than one, two or more than one. Whosoever is used in several senses of no matter who the person is. For example, whosoever come, ask him, यानी कि whoever will come but ask him. It is used compound relative pronoun whichever is used in the sense of no matter what it is, यानी कि it doesn't matter what it is. Compound relative pronoun whatever is used in the sense no matter what it is. Compound pronoun whenever is used in the sense of no matter what it is. You can see yourself examples. One second. Now non-personal pronoun it, I have already defined it, but still I will define it. It is used instead of a noun with the indication of the non-pronoun. For example, it is used to talk about a thing or animal. It is used for animals or thing. For example, he has a car. For car we will use it. It is very costly, not he or she. Also, it is used for child. I have already told you that in case of child, when we didn't know that what is his sex, is his boy or girl, when they are very small, at that time we can use it. For example, the child is crying. The child is crying. We didn't know that is the child boy or the girl. We can say that it feels hungry. It is also used to lay emphasis. That is when we want to give the stress upon something. At that time we also use it. It is also used. It is also used to talk about distance or temperature. For example, it is 50 kilometers or it is hot today. It is also used to refer previous statement, whatever we have already told. There we can also use it. It is also used as preparatory subject when we use it as a subject. I have already told you what is meant by subject. It is also used as preparatory object. It is also used as a noun clause. I have told you that what is clause, and here it is used for the noun clause. It is also used as a preparatory to the subject with gender. I have already told you gender means fourth form. It is used with as if or as though. It looks as if India, yani it looks, whenever there is as if, then we can use it. It is also used with a sentence beginning with it is time. For example, it is high time. It is also used in the structure of it plus be plus adjective plus of plus noun plus pronoun or to infinitive. For example, it is very kind of her to help. Yes. Please wait. Now, integrative pronouns. I have already told you. I always say that integrative means questions, and it is known to you now. It is used instead of a noun indicating interrogation or questions. Integrative pronoun who is used for the person. You have to remember always that who is used with persons. For example, who is your teacher? Integrative pronoun whom is used for the person but in objective case. Whom did you meet yesterday? यानी किसको? Integrative pronoun whose is used for things. Whose is used for things but in possessive case. Whose pen is this? Here whose is used for pen. Integrative pronoun which is used for persons or things. It is used for both. For example, which is your bed? Integrative pronoun what is used for things. What do you want? Integrative pronoun what is used for referring a profession. What are you? And that means what are you doing? What is your profession? Now, distributive pronoun distribution is known to you that to distribute between two or more or among more. For example, distributive pronoun each is used if the number in the group is limited and definite. For example, each of us has a pen, and there are 5 people or 10 people, and we say about them. Distributive pronoun every is used if the number in the group is indefinite. For example, every other Indian is kind. That is, there are so many, the population of the India is too much, and we say about everybody. That at that time we can use every. Distributive pronoun everybody is used with singular. You have to remember that when we will use everybody, we have to use singular. Everybody in team is strong, not all strong. Here it shows individually. Distributive pronoun everyone is used with singular verb. For example, everyone helped him. Distributive pronoun everything is used with singular verb. Distributive pronoun either is also used with singular. For example, either of them has, not have. In this way, I think that we have completed its usage in nutshell. I always say you that I will also elaborate you. Don't worry, till this time we have completed with the help of the chart. Now the lectures, next lectures will be in elaboration about them, so that you will be able to understand. My main motto is that by one way or another way you should be able to understand the things by hook or crook. So I use different grammars in different style, in different way. But once again, my request to you is only one thing, that please send the feedback to this channel upon the YouTube, that is Salim Studies Academy SSA. Feedback is necessary. Okay, I hope that you will send. Okay.